to speak something about their case.
Jaga budget maduong mar sirikal Margaret NYAKANG'O oseyo governors kuom tiyo marach gi omenda mag dongruok okang' makelo medruok mar gope ma ibandho counties kod jogo momiyo counties mwandu magi kata suppliers. NYAKANG'O wacho ni governors osebedo ka keto omenda e chenro mag dongruok mane ok opuodhi kod apisi mare ataro mar chik matayo kaka sirikal onego bed ni itiyo godo e omenda jopiny mong'ere kaka PFM Act. MCAs bende ose kuom rem goyo kogno budget mag counties magi mar neno ni omenda mag jopiny oti godo e yo mowinjore.
Now where they let me down is that after releasing the funds on very stringent grounds, they now go and do different things with the money. Now, of course, I'm helpless when it comes to what they actually do. Although we are doing something about it, we are handling a lot of complaints from suppliers whose details are put in the system. The money is released, but when it gets to the county, it is used for something else. There is a system that the CBK and the National Treasury are crafting to align requisitions after they are approved from my office to go to only, say, suppliers, only the suppliers that have been approved. That system has not started working, Honorable Chair, but if it does, I hope it can do in my lifetime as COB. That would be a major success for us.
Achiel kuom jopuonje skul primary mokumbo e sub county ma Uriri e county ma Migori itimo ne nonro ma kotenore kod maleng' ni ne